Good evening. You are welcome to Qsms Software Technology. I would like to walk through this is a short demo video. I would like to walk you through DeenOS. DeenOS is a digital platform that is designed for Islamic school, which comprises of the conventional Islamia and Tafiz school programs in just one single system, whereby the school can manage their conventional program, Islamia program, and HIFS program. So this is the overview of the admin dashboard. Immediately the admin login, and the admin will be able to see the total statistics of the student, the staff, the parent, and the revenue. So statistics for the conventional program student, Islamia program student, and Tafiz program student, then the students that are enrolled in all. So the admin will be able to manage, add, delete, and edit students record. So on the next part is where the admin can view the classes of each student, of student per class. So once I click on each class and I click on any tab, it should be able to show me the list of students in that class and their status in the school: active, graduated, or left, students that are left. Then in the Islamia and HIFS classes also, I should be able to see the statistic of Islamia student, Tafiz student, and students that are enrolled in all the program. So then it will show me the number, the statistic of student display. Then I should be able to see, I can search for any student's name, filter by their status. I can view Islamia only program. I can view Tafiz student only in the tabs that you can see. Either I click on Islamia only or I click on Tafiz only, so that I will be able to view their list in the class. So that's how it will display the list of the students in the class, in the various ones. So on the next tab is where the admin can manage CBT exam, everything about CBT: create exam, publish exam, check the question that the teachers added, edit, delete, and can publish exam for the student. And the admin can be able to also to view the exams result that has been taken by the student. So you will be able to see the statistic of all the exam, as the admin should be able to view the exam and see the students that have performed. And I'll see the statistic of total attempt, passed, and average student, and grade for the student that have taken the exam. So then the next part is the HIFS dashboard, where the admin will be able to see the statistics of the HIFS dashboard, the total student in the HIFS class, those that complete their HIFS, those that are in halfway, those that are processing the beginners, and everything regarding the HIFS dashboard. I should be able to view the action, so that if I want to view the students, now, their HIFS progress. So once I click on view, I'll be able to view all the HIFS progress of the student. So you should be able to display all the HIFS progress of the student. I can see this student with their ID, the group that the student is, the progress of the student, and every other thing. Should be able to see it on this part. Then on the next part is where the admin set the promotion history, so the promotion settings. So the admin should be able to set automatic promotion is done at the end of the section, whereby the admin will set the rules and guidelines. The promotion rule, I will select which class I want to send the rule, the next class that the student is supposed to go, the minimum average the student is supposed to pass, the minimum subject, is it the final class? No. Once I add the rules, there's a place where I will just go and run the promotion automatically. So that is where the admin set the promotion rule. So after the admin has set the promotion and processed the promotion, I should be able to see the history of the promotion, the total promotion, the retained student, and the list of the students under. So you can have the history of the students that have been promoted, the ones that have been retained, and that. So the next part is the where the admin add the subject of the school to the system. So you have the starting of total subjects offered in the school, the conventional program subject, the Islamia program subject, and the Tahfiz program subject. I should be able to add new subject. If I add the name and the short description of that subject, I will select which program that subject is for. Is it for all, or is it for one, or is it for two? So the admin will decide that subject. So that's what the teachers will make use of why they are to impute the results of the student. So the next part is where the admin will see the results, where the admin will just check the results of the student if available. So the total results 20, the students with result 20, the classes that has been compiled to. So I should be able to select the class that their result is ready. I select their section, the academic term, and all that. Then once I click on load, I should be able to get the list of the student that their result is ready. And once I click on view, I'll be able to view the template of the result, and I can download, I can print it out in an Excel, I can print it out in PDF format. That's where the admin check the conventional students program result. So on the next slide is where the admin check the Islamia or Tahfiz program student result. So you see the available student, the total student, that the Islamia student, the Tahfiz student. So once I select program, I should be able to select the class that has been entered. Once I select Tahfiz, I should be able to select the load again. I can view the student result, can download, I can print it out. So then on the next tab is term and section management. This is where the admin manage the term and section. At the beginning of the term, the admin will activate the current academic section, will select the current term, then activate it for the teachers to be able to see. Then the admin has the result entry status access control. So the admin will control the result input or by the teacher. So once the admin enable or enable the result, the teacher should be able to compile the result. Once the admin disable the result entry, the teachers will not be able. Then at the end of the session, after the admin has set up the promotion rules, this is where the admin will process the promotion. So then on the other hand is where the manage staff attendance, where you can mark attendance. The teachers can mark the attendance with a biometric